Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Adaolisa. In today's video, I'll be showing you a simple tutorial on how you can place cards in your videos. Okay, let me not use cards. Let me use a very layman's term. How you can insert videos into your YouTube videos. So this was requested by a friend of mine. She said she has been struggling with it for a while, so I decided to make a video and upload it. So you want to come here to where your contents are. So you go to your YouTube studio first, then you go to your contents. So this can actually be done when you're uploading your video immediately on your computer. It cannot be done on the phone, it can be done on a computer. So you come here to contents. So I already have cards, I already have videos inserted in most of these my videos here, but I don't have on this one. So I'm going to be using this one for the purpose of this tutorial. So you want to come here to edit this video. So if by chance you've uploaded the video already on your phone, you can always come to a computer, to a laptop, and just do this like this. You can just insert the video the same way I'm doing it right now. So you come here to cards, you tap on cards, then it says here select a type of card to begin. Do you want to insert a video into this video that is already playing, or do you have a playlist that you want to insert into this video that is already playing, or do you have a channel? Probably you are speaking in your video about another channel and you want to direct people to that channel. So do you want to insert a channel into this video? So for the link, you can only insert link if you're in the YouTube partner program. Right now, I'm not in the YouTube partner program, but if I join the YouTube partner program in the future and I want to insert link, probably I'm talking about my website in the future, and I want to direct people to my website, I can always use link. So now I want to insert a video, for example, in this video. Probably I'm talking, and there's a particular place, probably in the 1 minute, after 1 minute, there's a particular place I said something and I want to refer to a video on my channel. I'm going to just insert a video here. So now this is what you do. I've paused this video. So you want to come here to video, you want to tap here, insert the video. So it's asking if you want to insert a video and you have the video name in mind. In case the video doesn't pop up, I don't know why it's not popping up now. I thought it used to pop up before, except I'm confusing it with something else, probably end screen. So your videos here, you can just type in a video that you think you want to insert. Maybe I want to insert one of my vlogs. I'll just type in vlogs and I decide which of my vlogs I want to insert into this video. Maybe I want to insert this one. Tap on it and here it says this is the card here, the video card. So if you don't want it at this particular position in the video, you can move it to where you want it to be. Then you can always play the video to watch and see if you want it, if it's actually at the right position or not, if you should adjust it. So if one video is not enough for you, you can always come and insert another video, or you insert a playlist. If you have a playlist on your channel, you can always insert it. Or if you know of any other playlist on YouTube that you want people to check out, you can actually type in the playlist name and it would come out. Probably I want people to check out my makeup tutorials or all my vlogs or my content creation tips, for example. So I can insert this one. If I don't want it here, I can move it somewhere else. Or if I want to insert a channel, probably I'm talking about a channel and I want people to check out that channel, for example. So I'm going to be using my friend's channel for the purpose of this video. Her name is Helen. She actually requested for this video, so it's only right if I use her. So let's say the custom message or the teaser text should be subscribe to her channel. So it comes up here. So probably I spoke about her in the beginning and I want people to check her out. I'll insert her channel here so that when people just tap on it, people can actually go to her channel. You can always add a custom message. Custom message should be, she is amazing. Yes, so this is how it works. So custom message doesn't really apply to video cards or playlist cards, but it applies to channel cards. So if you want to how it works, right now I'm going to be deleting this channel card because I won't be talking about my friend's channel here, so I can only just delete it. And I'll just leave the rest of the videos here. I can always come back to delete it if I don't want, but I think I'll just leave it here for now. So you tap on save. And that is how you insert cards into your videos, or let's call it insert videos into your current videos. I hope this video was very helpful. If it was, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. Also to subscribe if you haven't. Like, share, and comment as well. Thank you very much. Do have a great day.